Stafford. I'm with UrbanChef, and today we're at home. So I thought I'd show you our garden. It's about 200 square feet of raised garden beds. While I'm over here, I'll show you my daughter's quail house is right over here that she made herself. She just repurposed a large dog crate that we had and weren't using. And then over that way, we have 4 chickens. I don't remember which ones are which, but they're all red production hens, and we get 4 eggs a day out of 4 chickens all year round. So over here is the raised garden. We've got a little bit of a mix of things that I planted last season that are going to be coming up and things I've already planted for this season. So last season's beans that are finishing up, really. Over here on this bed, we have indeterminate tomatoes that are strung up on a string. I haven't tried that before, but we're trying it this year. In the background, you'll see the Brussels sprouts that never really produced Brussels sprouts this last season. So we're going to try leaving them in to get a major head start on the next year, and hopefully they'll produce that time. Maybe it won't. We have some tomatillos and peppers. This here is a determinate tomato, so we're going to let it bush out, and it's not strung up. But the ones that are strung up, I'll show a little bit more later, but we're going to be pinching out each of the runner vines so that we get a single stem of each tomato going up. Over here, these are the onions that I planted last season, and they're about finished up, and that's going to become where we plant our okra for the summer. Snow peas are coming out, and I may plant some trellised cucumbers that we just got in from my sister-in-law's mother. And over here we have our perennial bed. It is artichokes and asparagus. So they both went in this year. There's a couple of artichokes in that plant there. And leeks from last season. This is the first time I've actually gotten them to really grow, but here's some leeks that we're going to be harvesting soon. This season we put in some corn. Not all of it worked out, so we're going to plant some more, and it's something that you can really succession plant. This was something I planted, not sure what anymore, but it didn't work out, so we're going to replant soon with some potatoes. Last season's lettuce did really, really well. We left this in so it could flower. We have some bees, which I'm not going to show you right now because we're not protected, but we have some bees, and even though our bees aren't necessarily the ones that are going to be enjoying this, we thought we'd leave the flowers for them. And then over here are some potatoes I planted earlier. They're ready to be mulched with some hay, so we're going to do that today. In the background over here we have some eggplants, cucumbers, and some squash, some zucchini and yellow squash. So that's a little tour of 200 square feet of raised garden bed.